Hello everyone and welcome. If you're interested in advanced engineering simulation using Abaqus, then this training package has been designed specifically for you. In this video, I'd like to introduce our new master DEM and SPH Analysis in Abaqus Training Package, which contains 25 practical industrial workshops covering some of the most powerful particle-based simulation techniques available in Abaqus. Whether you are a mechanical engineer, civil engineer, aerospace engineer, researcher, graduate student, or an Abaqus user looking to expand your simulation skill, this package will help you learn how to solve engineering problems that are difficult or even impossible to analyze using conventional finite element method alone. The Discrete Element Method, or DEM, is a numerical approach used to model systems composed of individual particles. Instead of treating material as continuous solid, DEM simulates every particle independently and calculates their interaction, including contact force, collision, friction, and energy transfer. This makes DEM an ideal method for studying granular materials such as sand, soil, powder, rock, pellet, and bulk material. It is widely used in mining, geotechnical engineering, agriculture, and the other fields. The second method covered in this package is smooth particle hydrodynamic, commonly known as SPH. SPH is a mesh-free numerical technique that replaces conventional finite element meshes with particles. Since there is no mesh distortion, SPH can accurately simulate extremely large deformation, fragmentation, fluid flow, explosion, and high-speed impact. Today, SPH has become one of the most important simulation methods in aerospace, defense, automotive, civil engineering, and advanced manufacturing. One of the biggest challenges engineers face is modeling events such as explosion, bird strike, projectile penetration, water impact, fluid-structure interaction, and severe material failure. This problem often exceeded the capability of the standard finite element analysis. This is exactly where DEM and SPH become essential. This package has been carefully developed to teach this advanced technical through practical real-world engineering example rather than theoretical lecture. Let's take a look at what is included. The package contains 25 complete workshops covering a wide range of engineering applications. You will learn how to simulate a steel via impact. Here you can see these two. Uh, and impacting sand using discrete element method. You'll model blast wave acting on reinforced concrete structure, composite panel, and steel drum. You will perform explosion analysis using SPH technical coupled with concrete damage plasticity model and JH2 model. The package also includes several high-velocity impacts simulation, including projectile penetration to ceramic protected concrete, impact on granite and soil, interaction with metal and foam metal structure. For engineers working in aerospace, um, there are multiple bird strike simulation, including impact on aircraft cabins and composite blade using different particle modeling approach. Fluid-related simulations are another major part of this um, of this package here. You learn how to simulate water jet penetration into the stone. You can see here high speed water jet impact on polymer plates, water jet cutting of the steel, non-Newtonian fluid impact, and fluid structure interaction problem involving water filled container and steel pipes. Marine engineer will benefit from their workshop on a ship movement through an ice water environment. In addition, this package covers advanced manufacturing process including cold spray deposition here, hydroforming using SPH-defined fluid, and friction-assist welding with coupled thermal analysis. Every workshop has been selected to demonstrate professional modeling techniques that are directly applicable to industrial and research projects. But this package offers much more than these simulation files. With every workshops, uh, you'll receive the complete CAE, allowing you to inspect and modify every file. You'll also receive the corresponding input file, uh, and each workshop is accompanied by a detailed step-by-step video tutorial. And whenever paper is available, you will have the research paper also. At the end of this package, we have the payment method. The price of this package is 143 euros, and we accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and cryptocurrencies for the payment. Before any payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the content of the package, and anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.